Hello everyone and welcome to my latest update on the game I have been working on. In this video, I will be sharing the progress I have made and the challenges I have faced over the past few months. Let's talk about the bow. If you have watched my previous video, you will remember that I was struggling to get the bow to work properly. This time around, I tried adding a camera and giving the player the ability to move the bow, but it still didn't quite turn out as I had hoped. So I spent a lot of time trying to figure out what was wrong and how do I fix it. Trying to solve that problem, I eventually reached a point where I realized instead of wasting time and energy on something that others have already done, I should use my time on making something new or maybe even better. We can't possibly do everything ourselves, right? And there are so many talented developers out there creating amazing tools and resources that we can use to make our own projects. With that in mind, I decided to search for a pre-made bow on GitHub, and I was thrilled when I found one which suited my needs perfectly and was even free to use commercially. This allowed me to move on to the other parts of the game. Next, I implemented a feature that destroys the balls when they are hit by an arrow. This meant that most of the core functionality of the game was in place. However, I wanted to add one more element to the game to make it more interesting and challenging. I remembered reading about how our brains have two parts. One that handles automatic tasks like typing and driving, and another that requires conscious attention for things like problem solving, for example. I decided I needed to add this to the game. So what I did was I added colors to the arrows and balls. And now the players are required to match the color of the arrow to the color of the ball they are shooting. This adds a new layer of strategy to the game and requires a bit of concentration as well. But I suspect it will become automatic with practice. There's still more work to be done, like adding a scoring system and code for how the level progresses, but I am excited about the progress I have made so far. In addition to the technical challenges I faced while developing the game, I also struggled with feeling like I wasn't making enough progress. It can be really disheartening to spend so much time on a project and not see the results you want right away. But it's important to remember that progress is often slow and incremental. It's easy to compare ourselves to others and feel like we are falling behind, but it's important to focus on our own journey and progress rather than trying to compete with others. In summary, it's been a challenging journey, but I'm learning a lot and having fun. I hope you have enjoyed this update and stay tuned for more updates in the future. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of my game development journey. Thanks for watching.